Oh my god. Triple M's Doghouse, welcome to the stream, man. My microphone was off. Oh my god, sorry, man. My microphone was off. I'm a beginner in streaming. I'm not a professional. How how are you? How are you, bro? Can you hear me now? Oh my god, my microphone was off. So before that, I said I was in that trade, short from there. I took my partials there, 5 contracts, and I put my trade on the break even, and I let another 2 contracts to going on the London, but break even hit only 5 contracts. So the total one of that trade was $626. Good, it's good, not too bad. Oh, super. Sorry, man, I'm a beginner in the streaming, and I need a checklist. I think before the to start the stream, I need a checklist. Uh, I tried a short there on the on gold, but I didn't know where to put my my stop loss because it was too big to put the stop loss there, and I exit really quickly somewhere there. So yeah, because at 8:30 there was the unemployment claims. Yes, there was the news. Hey guys, you also trading futures? Okay, so we have some discrepancy here. So ES is down and Nasdaq is flying up. Earlier I took that short because the London high after the news was swept there. I saw that fair value gap with the market structure shift. I entered 7 micros there short, but my final TP was there, and that's why I bought 5 contracts there. Ah, good. Where are you from, Triple M? So what's the plan for this morning? Let's put a fib there. So now we are in premium back again. I'm waiting for that fair value gap to be taken, and maybe I will go short again. Look at this price here on 1 hour. A lot of wicks there, but I'm aware that on the weekly we were there in the in that weekly fair value gap, and it's possible for the price to push higher. That's why maybe it's looking like that. I love that level. So the yesterday high, maybe we will have a run. Oh, you are okay. So you are from USA. That's nice, bro. That's nice. So it's morning there. Here it's already the afternoon. I hate when nasdaq and ES are not the same. So ES is still going down for the London low and also for the yesterday low, in my opinion. Nasdaq is the stupid brother here. Did you had any trades today, Triple M? Yeah, exactly. Yeah, that's why. That's why I said it's morning in your country. Ugly price action here on ES. Nice push on NQ. We are in premium now, so I expect to swipe a level from the upside and after that go lower. Are you still looking at us? Yeah. I was short there in that fair value gap, but I didn't expect that at 9:30 we will go so high. I still think that we will go for the London low there, which is actually the today's low. Yes, looking very weak. So for me, for the moment, Still pushing up there. What kind of trading are you doing, Triple M? Scalping or day trading? And on which time frame usually are you taking the trades? Okay, nice push. I didn't expect to have this push there. I have a big S&T, so higher high, higher low, higher low, higher high. Very big S&T. Oh, another two people in the live stream. Nice. Welcome, guys. Okay, maybe we will have now a setup, a short setup with that inversion fair value gap there to go lower. Because yes, it's really weak there. Doesn't have the power to go up. Oh, hello Adriana. Hello again. Adriana, I had a short there in that fair value gap, and my take profit was there, the TP1 actually, and TP2 down there, but only TP1 hit, and after that went back to break even. So I took only $600 now, but which is good. Yeah, only that one. And now I'm looking back to go short, to be honest, because look at ES. ES wants to go down, in my opinion. But Nasdaq had a nice push, and I think this is just only a manipulation there. Ah, so you are a scalper. That's nice, bro. I'm more like a day trader. I'm waiting for um, some levels to be taken, like here. I want to enter in this 1 hour fair value gap and maybe that go lower. Ah, so you think that's a manipulation too? Yeah, I hope so. On a bigger time frame, we have a problem with the weekly fair value gap there. There is a weekly fair value gap, which I don't like it. Let me get rid of that. Also, we have a beautiful 1 hour fair value gap there. Did you had any trades today, Adriana? Look at that. What is this, bro? So yes, still going down. Let me mark also the London low there. Ah, not yet. This price is going in a big premium. I was so sure about that fair value gap, and after that the leg that we will go to the London low. I was so sure about that, but still pushing up on a bigger time frame on 1 hour. Now we are in the 1 hour fair value gap there. Not yet, only a new equal high there. Let's go one more time in the fair value gap. Small push from ES, but very weak. Gold still looks bearish. How is DXY? DXY after a big consolidation, it's still in a fucking consolidation. So welcome to the stream, guys. Okay, nice push of the Nasdaq from that fair value gap. Hey, Triple M, that was I think a nice scalp there. Enter there, stop loss below the fair value gap or maybe below the order block and take profit the 1 hour fair value gap. So now we close above the 1 hour fair value gap and it's going for the Asia high. Doesn't care about that fair value gap actually. So this can be used later as an inversion fair value gap if it's still pushing to the upside. Nice push. How it is. Okay, we have also a push on the ES. But look at Nasdaq. Oh my god. It's almost 10 o'clock New York time and mm, I'm still waiting for A plus trade. Okay. Let me get rid of that, also that, and also that. and let's wait to see those levels. It's going there. Four people with me this morning in the stream. Welcome, guys. I wish you a good day. Don't forget that tomorrow we have the non-farm employment change. And that's mean today it's a risky day, so don't risk too much. Oh my god, so my Apex account is disconnected. Back again. PS is coming slowly. Gold, so nothing special for the moment on gold. There was the news the from 8:30. Yes, the unemployment claims. Guys, don't forget to please give me a subscribe and a like button if you like the stream. I will try to catch a trade in one of those levers. Asia high, some equal highs there, and also the yesterday high. There are good levels for short. I know we are in the weekly fair value gap, but this doesn't look very bullish for me for the moment. NQ is back in 20s, so we are above 20,000. We have a nice swipe of the Asia. Let's see NQ. So it's 10 o'clock. Let me get rid of this. I don't need it anymore. Okay, so new 1 hour open, new 1 hour candle, and also a new 4 hour candle. We had a reaction on the last 4 hour candle from there, but now we are up again. Let's see. I didn't expect at 9:30 to go up because I was in that trade. I took my partials there, and after that I went to break even, and I thought that we will have some volatility, and after go straight to the take profit there, but not. NQ had another plan, so we are still going up. Yes, also, and gold. Oh my god, crazy! I think I forgot about. Yes, we had that red folder news there. So 2 minutes ago, we had the news. So Asia is done. Those equal highs almost done, and now we are going to the yesterday high. Where is this boy going? On daily, we don't have any fair value gap upside, only on 4 hours. Maybe we will swipe all this consolidation from here because there are a lot of buy stops. So I think we are going there. Guys, if you have any question, you can ask me in the chat. Okay, we have a reaction from the equal highs. Also a new high for the ES. But now we have some volatility after that news. Not too much, but so in the morning I say that we will have the consolidation, the manipulation and the distribution, and I was right. But I didn't find the opportunity to go long. I didn't like that setup there. So actually I went short there. And now still going up. Okay, so equal highs done. Yesterday high close above and still going up. Oh my god, I can't believe. Beautiful relative equal heights there on ES. Let's see nasdaq. What do we have there? So next is the new week opening up, which is there. In a bigger time frame, for the moment nothing. We are in this big fair value gap, and I think that we are trying to close it. Sometimes the price is doing like that after a big fall, start to consolidate, and we are going back to close all the orders and all the fair value gaps. So this doesn't look like a swipe, looks more like a continuation. I need to see this candle reversing back, but still pushing to the upside after 9:30 everything went crazy. Okay, so gold took the level from Tuesday, I think. Yes, the Tuesday low was there, and after that we went straight up. Five minutes we closed there. So we close above. Is anyone there in any trade? Okay, so yes, now it's in that 5 minutes fair value gap. Let's see the reaction. The breaker is all the way there, so for a market structure shift, we need to go there. But I think we are going up because the weekly candle wants to push to the upside because of that fair value gap. And it's going without us. I'm actually surprised because the London low is still there untouched. Usually for this kind of moves we need to swipe first the London or Asia low. Here for example we have the London low. So I didn't expect this push because look at this displacement there. Ugly price action there. We swept those lows from there and after that start to going up. We touch this line, the blue line is the New York midnight open. So there was the open. We touch it. Also, I think there is a fair value gap. Yes, there is a fair value gap and went straight up. Okay, market structure shift is changed now. I'm still waiting for a trade. Oh my god, I'm still sleepy. Okay, Asia high, it's done. It's also going for yesterday high. Let's see. Nasdaq, I think it's waiting for ES to come there also. Let's see if we have a reaction from that level. Okay, we have a push to the downside, but don't forget that we have a bullish fair value gap there. So let's see. Maybe we can use it as an inversion fair value gap to go lower. I don't want to buy now because we are in premium. And also we are above the New York midnight open and I like to buy below that level. So there I like to sell. Nice reaction there. my God, I didn't expect that. What is this candle? No, that was the last news for today. Very big candle there. What is this? So this candle is bigger than the that was the candle for unemployment claims. Oh my God! And that was the candle for the next for the yeah, I cannot enter there. So the stop loss all the way there is it's absolutely huge stop loss. That's not a swipe of the liquidity because there are still some lows there. So let's wait. So ES almost went back on the to the downside. Crazy, crazy reaction from the Asia. I told you that after touching that level, we will see some reaction. Yes, this is, but this is too much. You got your scalp? Where? You went short there from the yesterday high? Don't tell me that you went short there. Yeah, exactly. Good job, man. Adriana, wait. You still have time, another 45 minutes maybe. This looks like a berry setup, but the displacement is huge. Yeah, I think Triple M, he entered short after that, maybe. After that microstructure shift, I don't know. Oh my God, maybe that was only manipulation and we're still going up. This is the inversion fair value gap, so let's let's note that. I don't want to enter in this. I don't want to chase the market there because it doesn't look too good. So I'm waiting a little bit more. Ah, okay. Good job, Triple M. Oh my God! And you catch the move there. Ah, sorry, on Nasdaq. So you waited for the reversal there for the yesterday high. Okay, good job, bro. And that's it, one trade for you today. Usually I'm trading until 11 New York time. So I still have 40 minutes to find a good setup. That's absolutely huge there. So that fair value gap, it's 50 points. That's unbelievable. Oh my god. Triple M. He got his scalp. That's good, bro. Okay, we have a reaction from that inversion fair value gap. Let's see. That candle was absolutely huge, but I don't like this reversal there. It's a big wick on that candle. God, what if this one is going down back to the London low? Okay, no FOMO. Let's see. Ah, that's good, bro. Keep it like that. And if you have, let's say, one or two stop losses, you stop for the day, or you are trying to get back the losses. I personally small problem with the revenge trading, but easy, I'm trying to heal that. After 2 years and a half of trading, I still don't like to lose. My God, this one is going down from that setup. How is gold? Okay, so after touching the Tuesday low, start going up. Maybe I'll go short on gold from the London high. Let's wait. Let me put an alarm there. And let's wait. This boy is going down without me. I still want one more trade for today. A winning trade, I hope. But I don't like what I see there. So look at Asia. Doesn't care about the yesterday high. Only a small touch of the Asia high, and look at that displacement there. I told you there that Nasdaq is doing like that because he's waiting for years to touch the level. Crazy. Adriana, I think that you are short there because I know that you like this type of reversals. No, if I get to lose it, I'm done for today and just try again tomorrow. I blew plenty of account chasing those. Yeah. Yes, I know what you mean. To be honest with you, I think I blew more than 30 accounts. 30, yes. Accounts. because uh, after I lose a trade, I try to get back on profit again, and I still keep to lose. And no, same like you, bro. If I have to lose this in one day, I'm stuck for that day. Okay, we touched the New York Midnight Open. We have a new reaction there. This one is too down for me now. Okay, ES, it's a new low there for this session. Also, we have a swipe there, so let's see. That's absolutely crazy how ES react from that high. Triple M, are you trading only the New York morning session or also the afternoon session? I personally I'm trading the London session and the New York morning session because I'm in Europe and I have the time to trade also the London session in the morning. I had a short, Adriana, where from that from that fair value gap, from the big one, I think. Actually, maybe I it was a good idea for me to enter in that fair value gap. Yes, on the London, there is two risk reward, and maybe with a small risk, but now it's too late. Just morning, nice. And Triple M, you are trading only Nasdaq. This inversion fair value gap here, it's absolutely amazing. For that, this was a bullish BC fair value gap. We traded same like through a piece of cheese. Get back in it because after that it it was an inversion fair value gap and go lower. That was a really beautiful setup there. For me, actually, that this and this that was a really A plus setup. I don't know why I didn't enter there. I was scared about this candle, the big one. I'm a chicken because I was short there. Where? There. Because I was short there. I was scared to enter short again when I saw this move also. Same like me. Okay, great. For me, those three pairs are the best. Before that, I used to trade forex, but the slippage and the spread, it's absolutely crazy with the forex brokers. Apex, I'm using Apex BULENOX, my fund of futures, but usually I like Apex. I didn't have any problems with them, and I like Apex. Okay, so Adriana, she was in a short from 0.73. Oh my god, you catch that high? Oh my god, Adriana, how did you catch that high? Ah, from this inversion fair value gap? Yeah, I'm sure. You you saw that inversion fair value gap and you sold there and take profit 983 there. Very good, Adriana. Beautiful trade. Oh my god. So 83. 87 points. Very good, Adriana. That's very, very, very good. So also there was no drawdown. So from that inversion fair value gap went straight down. That's great. Before that, so not very long time ago, when I miss a trade like this one, FOMO had a word always. So for example, now I can enter there in that fair value gap or that fair value gap. But no, if I miss the move, I just let it go without me and wait for the next one. Okay, gold start to consolidate. So nothing on gold for the moment. I'm still waiting for the London high to be swept. Adrian, I think your strategy is only with inversion fair value gaps. I mean, you enter just if you have an inversion fair value gap like here, and you are waiting for a retest of the inversion fair value gap. To be honest with you, I saw the inversion fair value gap only on ES there. So I think it was a really good idea to enter there as you, because also we had a very good risk reward there. Crazy. For me personally, minimum two. So there. Oh my god, that's so beautiful. Really beautiful trade, which I miss it. The PM session I'm not trading, and also I'm not trading tomorrow only because of that news. So tomorrow day off for me. I'm waiting for next week. So next week FOMC. Oh my god, Wednesday. Careful with that, boys and girls. Also, oh my god, Thursday it's CPI and Friday PPI. So Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday fire days. Very dangerous days, so be careful next week. Okay, nice push to the upside. We have very big candles, very big candles. So if I take any candle, 5 points, unbelievable. Look at the volume there. That's crazy. That was a beautiful setup there. Let me get rid of the yesterday high. So at the moment, I think this one is going down. Yes, I know. I can see the moving to the upside, but look at that swipe of those relative equal highs. Very beautiful there. We went down in that fair value gap. We have a reaction there. But beautiful swipe there. Okay, so this boy wants to go up now. Hmm. I don't like the I don't like gold today. We had only that move after the news, but London is still there, still up, waiting for London. Silkov, welcome to the stream. I have been watching your videos for a while now. I'm still learning and I want to ask, how do you identify fair value gaps? I don't know what to look for. Thanks a lot. So, what do you mean? How do I identify fair value gaps? Um, you you want to know what is a fair value gap, or which fair value gap is good to trade with? So, because for example, there we have a fair value gap. It's a bullish fair value gap. So we have a candle there. After that, the price went straight up, you see. And the next candle, for a fair value gap, we need three candles. One, two, three. Um, the middle candle, uh, we have a space between the high of that candle and the low of that candle. There, it's space. So this candle didn't come to that high, and also this candle didn't went to that low. So between there, that high and exactly that low, I have a bullish fair value gap there. As you can see, now we have a reaction there. Maybe it's not going all the way up, but we can see that we have a reaction there. So let's take another example. I will show you. There. We have one candle, second candle, and the third candle. There is the high of the first candle, and there is the low of the third candle. You see? And that's the fair value gap. Look at the candles. One touch, second touch, and after went straight up. Usually I put my order, my limit order, exactly if I want to go long in this example. Exactly there at the limit of the fair value gap. You see the green box, there is the fair value gap. I put my limit there. The price went in the fair value gap, and after that go higher. So fair value gaps, it's only a pattern from three candles. Usually the best fair value gaps for me, uh, as you can see, always I mark the session. This is Asia session, this is London session, and this is the New York morning session. And also I mark the, for example, yesterday highs and lows. Let's put a level there. You see, let me delete this one because this one is something else. This is an inversion fair value gap. I want to explain you only what is a fair value gap, a normal fair value gap. So between this candle, this one, and this one, there it's an empty space. You see, the price went straight with the sell orders, only sell orders there, and this candle didn't overlap there or there. So there we have another big space. This is a bearish fair value gap. So doesn't care what color is the candles. If you have a space there, so this candle didn't touch that candle, the third candle didn't touch the first candle, or the first candle didn't went down to the third candle, we have a space there. Price went inside the fair value gap, and after that you can see the reaction there. So it's simple. Fair value gaps only, they are everywhere. Look there, it's another fair value gap. Between, you see the high of that candle and the low of the third candle, there it's a fair value gap. This is a bullish fair value gap. Price enter in the fair value gap, and after that start to go higher. My fair value gaps which I am using, you see there we had, I put my level, and I'm trading only reverse trading. I don't like the continuation. For example, yes, I know people use so that fair value gap, buy there. After that fair value gap, buy there. After that fair value gap, and you can buy there, but price went straight down. I like when I see an important level. Uh, I'm waiting for fair value gap to the other side. You see, we went up, we swiped the liquidity from there. After that, we went down. We have one fair value gap, two fair value gaps. So there is a small empty space, and there is a big empty space. You put the order there or there. Adriana put her order in that fair value gap, and sell after that. Okay, see, thanks a lot. Thanks for the explanation. It makes sense now. It makes it so much easier now knowing to only look for. Yes, exactly, free candles. Yes, exactly, but not all fair value gaps. You see, for example, there we have a fair value gaps, but the price went down. So not every fair value gaps is good. Now this one, because you see, it didn't work. This fair value gap went straight. The price went, didn't care about this fair value gap. Normal, when the price enter in this fair value gap, have to go up, right? But in this example, if this fair value gap is not working, now this is not a bullish fair value gap, it's a inversion fair value gap. So now it's actually a bearish fair value gap. Now the price, when it's going to touch this, it is possible to go down now, not up. So let's mark this one to see the reaction there. Yes, I learned about the fair value gaps from ICT 2022 mentoring. So ICT 2022 exactly. Watch that. There are 41 videos, I think, on ICT channel, and you will understand everything about fair value gaps from there. In 1 week, you can finish all the playlist, 1 or 2 weeks, something like that, if you have time. So earlier, for example, you see there is this is the London high. Price went in that zone, and we make here it's a bearish fair value gap. I put my limit order there, my stop loss there, and my take profit was there at that level. Price go to in that fair value gap there, you see, and look at the reaction. And I won something like $626 in with this move. It was a really beautiful trade with 7 micros. I take my profit 5 contracts there, and after that with 2 contracts, the price go to break even. Okay, so you are always waiting for a pullback. Once the price comes back up, then you sell. You never, yes, exactly. I never change the price. This is my strategy, and for me, it's working. Really good explanation. Thank you. It helps me as well because sometimes I tend to look at many fair value gaps and to be confused because I'm always waiting for liquidity to be taken. Let me show you, I don't know, an example from yesterday also. You see, there was the Asia high. I'm always marking Asia highs. In the morning, this is the first thing which I'm doing is to mark the Asia highs and Asia lows. Uh, Also there is the Asia low, and I every time I start from here, from 2 o'clock is the Frankfurt Open, and I'm waiting for the price to swipe Asia high or Asia low. Here, as you can see, the price swipe the Asia low before the Frankfurt Open, so before 2 o'clock. So I delete this one. I don't care. I'm waiting for another swipe. So and the London session finished there. So in the London session, no trade for me. After that, I mark also the London high. Oh, sorry, this is London high and London low. And I'm waiting for New York Open. In the New York Open, we can see, so this is the London session, London low, yes. we can see this was already touched, so I don't need it. And here when the market opened at 8:30, the price went straight in the London session and also in the Asia session. So let's delete the first one and let's look what we have there. There, as you can see, we have two bearish fair value gaps. One is there and the other one is there. You see? This is a fair value gap because between that candle and that candle, we have an empty space there. And also this is a fair value gap because between that candle and that candle, we have a big, really big space. So yesterday, I put my limit order there. Take profit always minimum 2 risk reward. So next level is there for me, 2.9. As you can see, price uh, touch the fair value gap there one time. My order is open. After that went little bit in the stop loss, and after that look at the reaction there. Crazy. I think I made something like 855 from what I remember yesterday with that move, something like that. So after that is done, I delete everything. Also I delete the Asia high and move on. So no other levels for me. Also on gold, I think yesterday was a really great day for trading. So that is the. I think you understand me, guys. I think you understand. I hope you understand my English. For the candle to put. No, no, no. As soon as the candle go in the fair value gap, I enter the trade. So no, I'm not waiting for the candle to close. Let me show another example, okay? I really want to make you to understand because I'm not trading anymore and I have time. So London is closed. I'm waiting for the New York opening, and there you see we swipe the London low there. We have a displacement. Also, every time you have to look for a market structure shift or a change a character. You see, we have higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, and now we have no. So sorry, we have a higher high, lower low, lower high, and a lower low, and after that we have a higher high. So this high is bigger than this one. So here, this is a market structure shift. After a market structure shift, we have a plenty. Look how many fair value gaps we have there. One. Let me mark it for you. So this is a bullish fair value gap. One fair value gap, two fair value gaps, three fair value gaps, four fair value gaps. Which one to choose here? Because we have four fair value gaps. Every time I like to see, I am using this tool. This is the Fibonacci tool, but I'm using only the 0.5 level, 0, 1, and this one. This is not very important, but I'm also using this one. So you can make a screenshot if you want. There is premium. We want to go up, right? So if this is premium and this is discount, I'm looking for a fair value gap below the 50%, so below this line. From all these four fair value gaps, only this one is in discount. So I don't need this one, this one, and this one. And I put my order there. stop loss there, and take profit minimum 2. So minimum 2. This is a new week opening gap for me. So I put my order, limit order there, so no market order, limit order, and after that I'm waiting for price to come back in the limit order and also in the fair value gap. And when the you see the candle, when the candle touch that fair value gap, I'm already in the trade. I don't care if the candle will close up, down. I really don't care. As soon as this candle enter here in this zone, I'm long in the trade, and look at this trade. You see, straight to the take profit. Let me delete this one. After that, you don't need all the levels. Also, this one you don't need it because it was in the time of your trade. And I'm looking to the left. What do I have on the left? Here I have the Asia high. So look here. We swept there the Asia high. We went down. So there, look, there we don't have fair value gaps, no fair value gaps. Look, oh, here. So there is the first fair value gap. It's a bearish fair value gap. I put my order there. Stop loss every time at the higher high, one tick above, something like that. And minimum 2 risk reward. Okay, minimum 2, it's around there. Okay, so price, as you can see, touch the fair value gap. So here in this moment I'm short, and I'm waiting take profit there and stop loss there. And look at this. This looks like magic, you see. How is possible to catch a trade on the long side and also on the short side? So this is the way I like to trade. I'm not perfect. This is not a 100% winning strategy, but for me it's very good. Believe me, extremely good. But sometimes I have some problems with my psychological problems because I am human. And for example, let me delete all of this, also this. For example, let's say I miss this trade and price is going down without me. People like, for example, to, if the price is going down without them, enter again in the next fair value gap. So you see there it's a small fair value gap. Okay, between that candle and this candle you have a really small fair value gap there, and people put the limit orders there, stop loss, I don't know, there or there, and next level. Yes, look, stop loss, instantly stop loss. And before that I used to do this mistake over and over and over, and now if I miss the trade, no problem, I'm waiting for the next setup. So I'm happy because my strategy is working, and that's it. Oh, okay, this makes a lot of sense. Only look for fair value gaps that are at a discount. Yes. After there is a market starting. Yes, exactly. Exactly. Look only for the fair value gaps which are in discount if you buy, or in premium if you sell. I hope you understand my explanation. So for example, my only level to go in a trade here for me, you see there is the London low. So I'm waiting for the price to go there and buy. I'm waiting for the price to go in this brush to that level, make some moves there, displacement. That's the market structure shift there. You see, we have a shift in the market. Also, let's say there we have a fair value gap. I'm waiting, or maybe two fair value gap. Let's see, we have two fair value gaps, and this one it's in discount, and that's in the premium. I'm waiting for the price to go in the in the discount fair value gap. I enter long exactly there, and target, I don't know, next level. So I'm doing something like that, but I'm trading only until 11 o'clock. So today it's over for me because it's 10:59, and now I'm waiting for Monday because tomorrow it's a crazy day. No farm employment change, so I don't want to trade there. Yeah, I have to go now because my wife is waiting for me. Sorry, and thank you for joining me, and see you Monday morning in the London session, okay? And also, please, guys, don't forget to give me a subscribe and a like button, okay? Thank you very much. No problem, bro. I'm always here, usually Monday to Thursday, so I'm waiting for you. Okay? Have a good day above, and have a good weekend. Thank you. Thank you. See you on Monday. Bye.